Hello everyone, welcome to Dawn Chemistry. Today we are going to highlight the concept of what is a chiral atom or what is a chiral carbon atom. So mostly this concept is applied to a carbon only in organic chemistry of your 11th and 12th. It is an important topic for your boards as well as your prelims and your semester exams also. So it's very easy topic basically. Chiral or a chiral, some people call it chiral and some people call it chiral atom. I personally like the word chiral, so I call it chiral. So definition it can be defined as and chiral atom that's surrounded by four different carbon atom or four different functional group or four different atoms. It can be anything. It can be atoms or it can be functional group. At the end it is an atom, so let's call it as an atom. Our functional groups are halogens, alcohol, carboxylic acid, ester, ether. There are many functional groups. So in this particular picture you can see the carbon which is starred marks is an chiral atom. Why though? So let's see why it's a chiral atom. So basically you can see this atom is connected to four different atoms. For example, here it is methane, here it is hydrogen, here it is alcohol, and here this whole structure is carboxylic acid. But why not this carbon and this carbon is a chiral atom? Let's see. Let's figure it out. So basically this carbon consists of three groups of hydrogen, three similar groups or three similar atoms of hydrogen. So if any two bonds of carbon through which it is connected are same, then it is not considered to be a chiral atom basically. And here it should double bond with a single atom of hydrogen, and a double bond is also not considered to be a chiral atom. These are the basic rule of identifying chiral atom. So let's see some example. It's a little complex example, but I know you can figure it out. So in the example of glucose, you can see there is a aldehyde group. Here is a 1 2 3 4 5 6 carbon. All the carbons which are spotted red colored are chiral atom. Why though? Let's figure it out. Why not this carbon is a chiral atom? Let's consider to be 1 2 3 4 5. So basically in carbon 1, this one, this is a aldehyde group. So this is how aldehyde is connected. As you can see, it shows double bond. It cannot be considered to be a chiral atom. That's why it's not considered to be a chiral atom. And here you can see the carbon number 2 is connected to four different chiral atom. I mean four different atoms. One, this is aldehyde, alcohol, hydrogen, and this whole structure is considered to be another atoms. Similarly here, here and here are also a chiral atom. As you can see, this is a double bond, that's why it's not considered to be chiral atom. So in this way you can identify what is in chiral atom. Now I'm going to give you a question that you can comment me which one is a chiral atom and which one is not a chiral atom. So this is an example that you have to answer, that which carbon is a chiral atom and which carbon is not a chiral atom in the comment section. So that's it. Thank you for watching.